This is a 6-mark question from Zimbardo's prison experiment. And it says, outline the procedure and findings of Zimbardo's prison experiment. When you see the word outline, that just means that you make straightforward AO1 statements about it. So it's the procedure and the findings. And being 6 marks, what you need is 3 marks for the procedure and 3 marks for the findings. Let's have a look at the procedure. For mark 1, I stated that Zimbardo in 1971 selected 24 emotionally stable male college students from volunteers, randomly assigning them to be guards or prisoners in a mock prison. For mark 2, I've said prisoners were arrested at home by real police, booked, strip searched, given ID numbers, smocks, and ankle chains. I might get a mark for only half that information, I don't know, but I'm just making sure. And then mark 3, guards wore khaki uniforms, mirrored sunglasses, and carried batons with instructions to maintain order without physical violence. I certainly get my 3 marks for that. Let's look at the findings for another 3 marks. Mark 4, the guards quickly adopted authoritarian roles using punishments and humiliation. You see findings, this is what happened. Mark 5, prisoners became passive, anxious, and depressed. Some were released early due to distress. Again, findings. These are things that happened. There's no analysis. There's no application. Mark 6, the planned 14-day study was stopped after 6 days. The findings showed that situational factors and assigned social roles can strongly influence behavior. More findings, and again, just to repeat, no analysis, no application there. You're simply looking at AO1. So recap for the mark distribution: procedure 3 marks, sample and assignment, prisoner treatment, and guard details, and then the findings: guard behavior, prisoner behavior, and outcome and conclusion. So pretty straightforward and balanced.